The product zone. Today we're unboxing the Tingmengte 6-inch mini chainsaw. A protective case. You could just chuck this in your back of your pickup truck or wherever you're going to chop some logs. For more price and details, check in the link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming reviews. Let's see in the box what we have here. We have is the instruction. Comes with a nice pair of gloves. Come with a bottle to put your oil inside. Always oil a chainsaw. Come with an extra chain, and you can see fits the 6-inch chain. Comes with a beautiful machine here. So now look at this. Now this is the beautiful 6-inch machine. I love the color. I love the orange color with the black. It goes well. It's really light. It's lightweight, so that's good. Then it comes with a fast charging. People did say it charges fast. Comes with safety goggles. Always use them. And it comes with 2 battery. If you're going to get a chainsaw, get a chainsaw with 2 battery, please. Because if one battery's dead, you put the other one to charge. And while one is charging, you could be using one. So let's take a look at the battery real quick. Battery is 12 so the battery is 24 volt. Most chainsaws 20 volt or 21. Definitely 24 is a plus. Comes with a nice looking screwdriver. Let's see. All right, sturdy, not bad, really good. This is the biggest screwdriver I see any company ever send, so that's a plus. And like every chainsaw, we're gonna test it out. So to change the chain right here, you screw this on and off. It'll change the blade. Always press the safety first. Let's hear this baby. All right, we're gonna put this to the test. So we're gonna put this to the test in a second. I have some logs I'm gonna be cutting there. So mini chainsaw did not made to cut big giant logs. Please get some big chainsaw if you need to cut bigger logs. Mini chainsaw cuts mini logs or wood. And right here we have here is a 6x2, and I'm gonna show you how it's cutting this. So as you can see, hold on, my wood is not setting properly. Let's go right here. All right, just wanted to show you guys a cut right there. So when you're cutting, don't push the chainsaw or trying to force the chainsaw. Let it cut by itself. Go with the flow. All right, so we got some tree branches here. I want to make some cut and show you guys. Ready? Up close. We're gonna cut some smaller one. See that? And we're gonna come here to show you guys close. Clean, easy. Not bad, you know. Stuff like this, 3-inch, 4-inch logs, it will cut because it's made for that. All right, so we got a bigger piece over here. I'm gonna show you. Ready? Up close. Not bad. Pretty cool. Nice. So overall, I did use it about 10-15 minutes, and I gotta tell you, it's great for a mini chainsaw to do light work. Please do not do heavy work with mini chainsaw. This one here is definitely good for light work, cutting from your tree branch to pruning your plants, around the yard and the garden. This is definitely an ideal of a budget chainsaw, and check in the link in the description for more price and details and get your hand on this. And I always tell you guys, buy a chainsaw with 2 batteries. 2 batteries is better than 1, because if you have to buy a separate battery, it might run you up more money than you buying everything complete like this. So check out this company and check out this chainsaw and give it a shot and a try if you have minor work around the yard. Thank you for watching Product Zone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More video, 100% free.